everyone, this is Mahi Sharma and I am an Oxo girl. I welcome you all on our Oxo channel and I'm super excited today because I have brought amazing cord set collection for all the curvy women out there. I have brought amazing cord set collection that I am going to show you right away. Firstly, I am going to show you the cotton cord sets which are trending and that are our best sellers. The first is this cotton denim wash cord set which is trending, and look at the color. It's totally summery and it goes best with casual dates. You are going on a shopping, airport looks. Then picking this cord set is the best decision you will ever make. Let me show you the detailing. The top has a pretty elegant V neckline, also have a placket top buttons and short sleeves, and look at the quality. While the shorts have elasticated waist as you can see in the close-up, and it has a tie knot which is adjustable, as you can do it adjustable as your comfort, and I love it, and you are also going to love it. It is comfortable as hell. It is so good. The fabric is first class. All you need to shop this right away because it is amazing. And the best part is this cord set is available in more colors that I am going to show you right now, and you will be the happiest. First color is this pink color. Oh my god, the hot pink color. We all love hot pink color. All women love hot pink color. The detailings are same. It's just the another color in the same style. Like, you can pick any color which suits you, which goes with your mood, and it's totally amazing. Another color we have in this cotton cord set is this green color. Look at the color. It's totally summery. The three of all color are totally summery. Goes with all skin tones, goes with all moods and reasons. All you need to pick what you find the best. And look at this color also. And the best part is it is available in the sizes till 5XL. What else you need? It just you need to go to the oxo.com right now and shop this super cool summery denim cotton wash cord sets right away. Now if you're wondering if we have something in print, yes we do have. Let me show you. The first is this, the super classy, the super classy. It is the best seller, and look at the print, look at the color. It is totally summery and you can't go without this summer without buying this cotton cord sets. It is available in the sizes till 5XL. So all my curvy divas, plus size divas out there, this is exclusive for you. Shop now. It has a pretty regular collar neckline with this adorned by the placket top buttons as you can see. It also have a chest pocket, the short sleeves, and the elegant shirt you will ever wear with the most comfort. The shorts have an elasticated waist as you can see. Let me show you. And it has adjustable tie knot waist which you can adjust as per your fitting. And what else you need? It is comfortable. The fabric is A+, the quality is A+, the fit is amazing. All you need to try this right now. Shop it right now at oxo.com. Available in the sizes till 5X. The next cord set, we have this stripe print cord set. It is made up of viscose. Available in the sizes till 5XL. Look at the print. It's totally summery, totally cool. Like if you're going on a vacation, looking for your airport look, going for a casual day out with friends on a coffee, etc. This cord set is the super yes for all such reasons and occasions. Look at the detailing. It has another regular collar neckline along with the placket top button, the chest pocket, the short sleeves, and the classic shirt. And the shorts have an elasticated waistband which is ultimate comfort, and it is comes with a tie knot string which is adjustable. Like you can adjust as per your fit, and it is so cool. This vibrant print floral cord set at the print. Like it's a totally summer hype print. You cannot go without it. All my plus size diva out there, you cannot miss wearing this cord set this summer season because it is super cool. It will bring brightness in your wardrobe for sure. Like it has a regular collar neckline along with the placket top buttons, the chest pocket, the short sleeve. Ultimately it is a classic shirt that will give you the utmost comfort wearing it. And the shorts have an elasticated waist along with a tie up The short has an elasticated waist with a tie knot detailing, like you can adjust the fit as per your mood. Trust me, the quality is amazing, the fit is going to be the amazing. The sizes are available till 5XL. Oh my god, my heart is happy and your wardrobe is going to be happy when you are going to shop this cord sets. Look at the color. Totally goes with all reasons and occasions. The detailing, the shirt has a classic collar neckline along with the placket of buttons, the chest pocket, the short sleeves, the super amazing classic shirt along with the shorts. It has an elasticated waist, as you can see. It is going to provide you the ultimate comfort to your waistline. It comes with a tie knot belt, as you can adjust it as per your comfort. It is going to light up your curves to the next level. It is going to provide you the confidence and the comfort to the next level. You will love it. It is available in 2 more colors that I am going to show you right away. The blue and a hot pink. Look at these. I know you want to buy it right now. Even I want to see this cord set on you as well on your curves. So shop now. This cord set that I'm going to show you that are going to blow up your mind because they are super amazing. They goes with casual looks, formal looks, and even if you're going on a vacation, airport look, those cord sets are versatile and goes with all. First, I'm going to tell you they are available in the sizes till 5XL, so you should be happy now. They are made up of cotton denim washed and the fabric is super light, super skin friendly, and you will love the experience of wearing it. Shirt has a regular collar along with the placket of buttons. The cool thing about this shirt is it has a chest pocket which is highlighting the look more and giving an edgy look and making it look more cool. And the best part is it has a long sleeves, like you can roll up the sleeves or you can wear it as a full sleeves, up to you. And it is a classic basic shirt which is looking good with this pant. Look at this. It has elasticated waistband, as you can see, which is going to provide you the ultimate comfort. Comes with the adjustable string, like you can adjust the string as per your waist, and it has a side pockets also, so you can keep your small stuff and mobile etc in these pockets. And look at this. It is made up of the high quality because it is a denim wash cotton. It is made up of high quality, so you will love it. You will love the feel, you will love the vibe of this cord. It is available in 1 more color that I am going to show you right away. Color this cord set has this green color. I know you love the both colors, so you can get the both color also in your wardrobe. Choose what suits you the best. These are in these ultimate red color print. Oh my god, look at this. This is made up of viscose and you will love it. Look at the elastication this pant has. You will love it because it is give you the comfort. Comes with adjustable thread, like you can customize it the fit according to your waistline. It also has a side pockets that is going to be the best thing, like you can keep your stuff. The shirt has a regular collar, the placket of buttons, and the long sleeves. The best part of this cord set, it is light, airy. The quality is amazing. The fabric is the best. You will love it when you wear it because it is going to highlight your curves. You will look confident, you will look cool, and you will look the ultimate fashion diva. Look at the color, and of course the print is so good. So going on a vacation, going on a date with your friends, etc, pick this cord set and you will love it. Next cord set we have in the print is this coolest cord set. Look at this cord set. The shirt and the pant. The fabric is amazing, the quality is amazing. You will get the ultimate comfort wearing this. All you need to go to the oxoloxo.com and buy this because it is available in the sizes till 5XL. So this was the bunch of plus size cord sets that is trending, that are available on our website at ultimate prices. Shop now, make your curves looks confident, look amazing, and let me tell you again, all the cord sets are available in the sizes till 5XL and beyond. Shop the cord sets now and visit oxoloxo.com.